Hello from Hawaiian, guys. I have my two of best girlfriends with me, Noelle and Holly.
สวัสดีค่ะ
Oh my god. I'm gonna unbox this while Noelle talks about her trip so far, and Holly
And
tell us
Thai?
about. Yeah, sure.
No
Let's do that.
สวยมากๆสวยมากๆสวยมาก
Okay, I'll cut this
ๆ
one.
ขอบคุณค่ะ So let's talk about the pink Lumispa.
So excited.
Actually,
Rose
yeah,
gold
it's
is
pretty.
pretty. Look at that.
Rose gold
It's
is
so pretty.
So it's not just pink, but it's rose gold, guys.
Rose gold.
And this is a big upgrade from the previous Lumispa that we have introduced you guys. So this is like called the Lumispa IO. So right now, like New Skin have implement a new platform which is called the IO. So they're like trying to implement with all these like beauty gadget with the app, so that you can follow the app, like trace back like how much you've been using, like are you using the correct way, because they have like the technology that's telling you like are you using the right pressure as well. So right here they are telling you like the battery, like how much battery it has, and then right here it's basically like the same function as right here.
Oh,
Yeah,
I
so
didn't
like
know that.
Right here.
Yeah, so when you're
Yeah,
facing the
so-
mirror, you can have a look like how long you
Oh,
have
so
left.
smart.
for
That
the
is so
pink.
smart.
Yeah.
And it's like, I feel like it's lighter actually.
It is lighter.
than the older one.
Guys, there's something at the back, so don't throw the box away. So I got a few of my
really?
friends, like they throw the box, and then see what
The
they have
charger's in the
missed.
back, isn't it?
Exactly.
Oh
So
no.
So there's something at the back. Hello, guys. Then like you can see there's a USB charger right here.
Oh, they took up the computer. That's awesome.
So this is a big upgrade as well, because like this is like a USB cord
Right.
cable.
Right.
And then like you can just like put it right here. It's like a
Oh,
magnet.
so you don't no longer need to have that huge
Yes.
charging station.
Yes,
So
exactly.
you charge it anywhere. You can like just charge up the computer at the airport, anywhere.
Yes.
It's awesome.
So this is
So
a big
convenient.
upgrade as well. So it's
It's
more
so
convenient.
Yeah.
And then you can just bring this cable with you if you're traveling for like a month or 2 months.
Right.
Then charging is not a problem.
Please keep the box and keep the receipt. Very important. I'm gonna show you Lumispa Blemish Cream next. See you next time.
Bye.
Subscribe. Bye bye.